So here, open Build and select Firestore database. Click on Create Database. You can change the location of the database if you want. I will leave it at default location. Click on Next. You can select the rules as well. I will start it in production mode. And then, click on Create. So in Cloud Firestore, we have collections, and each collection will have multiple documents. It is a NoSQL document database. Now, go back to Android project and open build.gradle module app. Here, add the Firestore dependency. I am not specifying the version number since I have used Firebase BOM. I have shown how to create new activities and how to start them using intent multiple times in my previous videos. So, I have created a new package for Firestore and I have created this Firestore 1 activity inside it. I have created a button in Home Activity, and whenever I click on that button, Firestore 1 activity will be started. So now inside Firestore 1 activity, Firebase Firestore, collection reference. Now go back to Firebase console. Here in Cloud Firestore, we will manually create a collection. Click on Start Collection, I will name it Hello. Click on Next and give an ID for document. We can also use Auto ID option. Click on Save. I will delete this document and I will access this collection from our Android project. So, Firebase Firestore equals Firebase Firestore.getInstance. Collection reference equals Firebase Firestore.collection hello. Now, we will add some data and save it to a document inside hello. I am using a similar example to one which is given in the Firebase documentation. Map, type string, city equals, new, hash map. City.put. Here, I will give key as city name and the value will be New Delhi. Or else, I will change the key to simply name. And finally, collection reference, dot. First, I will set the data using add city, dot, on complete listener. When data is uploaded using add, the document will have an auto ID. So, if the task is successful, I will display a message using toast. Else, we will display the error message using toast. Success. Else. Toast, task.getException.getMessage. Click on Firestore. Here you can see the error, permission denied. So go to Rules tab under Firebase Firestore. If request.auth not equals now, click on Publish. So previously, read and write were false, now only users who have logged in can read and write to Firestore. Here, you can see the document and it has an auto ID. Now, we will set document ID as well. So, collection reference dot document Delhi dot set city dot on complete listener. We will display success message if task is successful and the error message if not successful. So here, we have two documents. One with auto ID and other with custom ID. We will delete the document with auto ID. Previously, we have created a model class for Firebase real-time database and we have set the data using that class. We will use the same class here as well. I will simply copy that from RTDB1 activity, address model and contact model. So now, inside set, we will replace city with contact model. So whenever set is used, the previous data will be overwritten by new data. Now we will change the data back to city inside set. Now, I will set data back to contact model, and along with it, I will add options. Contact model, set options.merge. So when we use merge, new data will merge with old data instead of overwriting it. But here, since the field name is present in both city and contact model, the latest value will be present. Now, I will set data back to city, and I will change the key name inside the hash map. Also, I will remove the merge option. Now, I will set data back to contact model and use the merge option as well. So, you can see here, we have city name, which is the old data, and the entire contact model as well, which is the most recent addition to the document. So the new data has merged with the existing data. Now, I will change the value inside hash map and then set city to document instead of contact model. So this is how merge functions for documents in Cloud Firestore.